Hello, welcome to this video tutorial. My name is Johan van Pijnbroek and I'm working for the company iCare.
In this video tutorial I will show you how to customize the home screen of the CSI2140 Machinery Health Analyzer. What you're seeing now in front of you is the home screen of the CSI2140 Machinery Health Analyzer with the default home screen and the default picture. But you can customize it. So let's take a look to a few examples and then I will explain you the procedure. In the first example you see that I've changed the home screen picture to the company logo of Emerson Process Management. Especially for all sales channels, I strongly recommend you to do the same procedure anytime that you will visit a potential customer. Make sure that you have the logo of the new customer or the potential customer stored as a home screen of the analyzer. The purpose of that is that as soon as you visit a customer and you start the analyzer, the first thing that he will see is his company logo showing up on the CSI2140, and he will appreciate it that you have done a special effort for him, and that could be a good starting point for a sales talk. Or you can even include a real picture, in this example a picture of myself collecting data on a centrifugal, or why not having the CSI2140 image as a home screen inside the CSI2140. So these were just a few examples. Now let's take a closer look to the procedure. The first thing that you have to do is that the CSI2140 is normally shipped together with a CD or a DVD that contains the software or the firmware of the analyzer, and you have to copy the complete CD or DVD first of all to your hard drive. In AMS Machinery Manager, Data Transfer, this is the home screen of the data transfer. On the right side you can do some configuration, and here is a detail of the configuration. Make sure that the folders key table and firmware browse now to the location where you have copied the CD or the DVD. In my example I've copied it to the location C firmware. This is really crucial that the path here is correct. Then select the picture you want to use or download from the internet what you need. For example, a company logo. The size of the picture has to be 430 on 380. Very often it will be different. So then open the picture in Microsoft Office Picture Manager, and here you can resize and crop the picture till you have 430 on 380. Then you have to save the picture with the name splash.bmp, and it has to be in the folder that you have specified here in the firmware. So in my example it's C firmware 2140 firmware apps splash.bmp. In case that your image was not in a BMP format or in a JPEG format, you can open it first in Paint and store it or convert it there as a BMP file, and then continue the procedure. So let's take a closer look to an example. So I go to internet and I want to do a search on Emerson Process Management logo. Here are logos that he finds, and for example I want to have this logo. I do a right click, save picture as, I store it on my desktop. I want to store it as a bitmap file, and I will give it immediately the right name. Okay, now the picture is on my desktop. I can close internet and I go to my desktop. And on my desktop here is a picture. Do a right click and I open it with Microsoft Office Picture Manager. Then I will edit the picture and I will start with resizing the picture. And I select here 430. So if I select 430 here, the new picture will be 430 on 471. One of the two numbers is already correct. The other number I can correct it with cropping. So I go back to edit, I go to crop, and now on the top I will reduce it till I have 380. So now it's perfect for 30 on 380. OK. File. Save. And then I can close it. So now I have my splash.bmp, and I only have to make sure that I copy that to this location. Once that is finished, I can continue to the next step. So open now AMS Machinery Manager Data Transfer, start the CSI2140, and on the home screen of the CSI2140 in Alt 1, select F6 Program Manager. The data collector will give you a warning. Simply accept the warning and then click F8 Connect for transfer. Then F2 Load New Splash Screen. Your home screen picture is now customized. And here you see another example of a customized home screen.
We are now at the end of this video tutorial. Thank you for watching this tutorial. For more information about iCare and our products, please visit our website or drop an email to one of the following emails. Thank you, have a nice day.